Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video I will show you how to add subtitles on Canva. So for this I am here on canva.com and we will go to uploads here, and in video section I will choose this video here and we will add subtitles to it. So first of all I will resize it so it fits in the frame. Now we need to add subtitles. So for this I will go to text here and there we will go with this body here. For now I will increase its size, then simply select the text like this and delete it. So now this is the question that we need to write here. So here you need to add which is the popular country of the world. Now here if we go to fonts, from here you can choose the font. So I will go with this one here. Then we can change the font color. You can go with the white one or you can change it to black. Then we can add effects here. So if we add outline, so it will be more prominent. Now if we go to elements here, so we need to search for a rectangle. Go to graphics and here we will go with this rectangle. Increase the size, place it here, and now we need to place this on this square. Now here you need to place the text right here. And now the subtitles are added. In this way you can add subtitles of each slide. Okay, so now the subtitles are added. In this way you can add subtitles for each slide and then subtitles will be added. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.